In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the undo send feature not showing on iMessage, particularly if you are using iOS 17 or later. If you've recently found yourself unable to unsend a message, you're not alone, and I have a few troubleshooting tips that should get things back on track for you in just a few minutes. First, let's ensure that what you've sent is indeed an iMessage. Now you can recognize an iMessage by its characteristic blue bubble. This is different from the standard green bubble you see with an SMS. The undo send feature specifically works for blue bubbled iMessages. So if your message is showing a green bubble, it means it was sent as a regular SMS, and unfortunately the undo send feature cannot be applied. Next up, timing is essential when it comes to utilizing the undo send function. You need to make sure that you're within the 2-minute window. Yes, this means that once you've sent a message, you have only 2 minutes to decide if you want to unsend it. If those 2 minutes have passed, then even if you're using the latest version of iOS, the chance to undo the send will have passed. Now let's check to ensure both you and the person you're messaging are operating on the latest iOS. Head over to your iPhone settings, click on General, and then tap on Software Update. Make sure any available updates are installed to guarantee that all iOS features, including undo send, are operating correctly. It's crucial that both devices are on at least iOS 16 or newer, since this feature is not supported on older versions. The final point is to verify your internet connection. The undo send feature relies on a reliable internet connection because iMessages are sent over the internet. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. If you find that your connection is weak or inconsistent, your iMessage might get sent as a regular SMS by default. Strengthening your internet connection will ensure your messages are sent and received as iMessages, enabling the undo send option. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to getting the undo send feature back and functional on your iMessage. If you followed these steps, double checking whether your messages are indeed iMessages, acting quickly within the 2-minute window, updating your iOS to the latest version, and ensuring a strong internet connection, you should find yourself back in control in no time. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.